Money at Work, Being Your Own Bank Continuing Education Series brought to you by MILLIONAIREMINDSET.LIFE. Today, what we're going to be discussing is the benefits of being your own bank. Have you ever needed a loan? Well, of course you have. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to just lend yourself that money? Well, it's actually possible when you become your own banker by practicing financial strategies that leverage permanent cash value life insurance to put you in control of your own money. So no more dealing with the bank, filling out applications and waiting to find out whether or not you actually qualify. And on top of that, no more fees, application, origination, or otherwise. It's just you, your money, and whatever you want to do with it. That's if and only if you're becoming your own banker. When you are your own banker, you cut the banks out of the lending equation. And what that does, it allows you to keep more of your own money and give yourself the ability as well as the opportunity to build wealth. But outside of that, you also get some other benefits that are realized within the system as well. So we're going to talk about 5 of those today. Number 1, stop the transfer of wealth. Well, you don't do it entirely, but you do stop your wealth from being transferred to banks, credit unions, financial companies, Wall Street, or even the government. Instead, you put yourself in control of your own wealth and to whom it's transferred, whether that's family, friends, charitable causes that you care about. When you are your own banker, you determine who benefits from the smart financial decisions and the wealth, and you do it when you're ready to actually transfer the wealth to them. Number 2 benefit, you're going to get the opportunity to stretch your money, which is, basically use and reuse your money. When you are your own banker, you have the ability to ebb the bank by using, reusing, and recycling your own money. And that is incredibly powerful in terms of, a way to quickly build wealth. Recycling your own money is all about making use of what's called the multiplier effect. Because you have easy access to your money, you can keep your money moving, investing it, recapturing its interest, reusing it over and over again, the same exact way the banks do, while also recycling it. That's an incredibly fast way to build wealth. Number 3, liquidity. When you practice the science of becoming your own bank, you have control of your money and it's liquid. You will usually have access to about 90% of your own money, and you can get that money whenever you need to get it. And you're not going to have to pay any penalties or fees. In most cases, your money is typically accessible just within a number of days. So very liquid, and that's, quicker than a lot of banks. That's liquidity. Number 4, equity. So owning that permanent cash value life insurance policy is a lot like owning a home because the policy eventually builds equity. As you would with a home, you're allowed to take out loans against the equity and the underlying account still continues to grow. This ability to use equity as collateral allows you to have every available dollar of cash value do more than just one job. When that happens, you're taking advantage of that multiplier effect that we were talking about, and that can quickly build wealth. And then finally, flexibility, number 5. When you are your own banker, you have multiple ways to access your own money. You can make a withdrawal from the cash surrender value. You can leverage equity, take a loan out against the cash value. When you do take out a loan, you have the flexibility to decide how and when you want to repay that loan, something that banks just don't offer. As long as the policy remains in place and sufficiently funded, you're basically free to do whatever you want with your money at any given time. So those are the benefits of being your own bank, and we strongly encourage you to continue to educate yourself on becoming your own bank. This is not a recommendation to buy permanent cash value life insurance, but it is a recommendation to continue to educate yourself about the possibilities for you and your financial plan, both now and going forward. MillionaireMindset.life, stretch your thinking, create your vision, and achieve.